Let's take a close look at this new arrival to RV Depot, the 2022 Dutchmen Coleman 295 QB. And remember, the team here is always ready to help, so reach out today. If you're looking for a bunkhouse travel trailer that truly checks all the boxes for family camping, comfort, and value, you're going to want to take a serious look at this one. Stepping inside is where the 295 QB really stands out. You're immediately greeted with a surprisingly open layout, thanks to the large slide out on the main wall. This slide houses both the living room sofa and kitchen dinette, creating a spacious living area that doesn't feel cramped. To the left of the entry, you've got a fully functional kitchen setup that doesn't cut corners. You'll find a large farmhouse-style sink with a high-rise faucet. There's a microwave, above a 3-burner cooktop with oven below, and a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Across is a booth dinette that also converts into an additional sleeping space when needed. The entertainment area is centrally located, making it easy to view from both the sofa and dinette. This space is perfect for winding down after a long day. Up front, you've got a private master bedroom. The queen bed is positioned with easy access from either side, with side wardrobe closets and overhead cabinets. Now let's move to the rear, and one of the biggest selling points of the 295 QB, the rear bunkhouse. But first, let's take a quick look at the full bath on the left. There's a vanity with sink and step-in shower with skylight. Just before entering the bunkhouse, you'll notice the floor-to-ceiling storage cabinet on the right. Inside, you get a dedicated sleeping zone, separate from the main living area, which is huge for families. Kids can hang out back here, sleep here, and have their own space without taking over the entire trailer. There's even a spot for a gaming console and wall-mounted TV. This Dutchmen Coleman 295 QB is practical, comfortable, and easy to live in. If you need space, flexibility, and a layout that actually works for real camping trips, this travel trailer delivers in a big way. Find it at RV Depot today.